Sayer Ressam here. Glad you could join me for another deep dive into tomorrow's tech. Stick around as we explore features, performance, and hidden quirks you won't see in the spec sheet. Today, I'm taking a hands-on look at the BMX solid-state 5000 mAh Qi 2 power bank. A compact portable charger that stands out thanks to its next-generation solid-state battery technology and support for the latest Qi 2 wireless charging standard. Priced at around $70 at a time when battery safety and portability are becoming increasingly important. BMX positions this product as a safer, more durable alternative to traditional liquid lithium-ion power banks, while still offering modern features like MagSafe-style magnetic attachment and fast charging. Right out of the box, the BMX solid-state power bank gives a friendly and straightforward unboxing experience with a flip-open package that clearly displays product information. Inside, you'll find a quick start manual and a very clever USB-C to USB-C cable that also doubles as a wrist strap, making it extremely convenient for daily carry without needing extra accessories. In terms of design, the power bank feels impressively compact, measuring just 0.46 inches thick and weighing approximately 4.8 ounces, which makes it comfortable to attach directly to the back of a smartphone or slip into a pocket or small bag. The flat body with softly rounded edges gives it a clean, modern, and premium appearance, while the magnetic charging surface is finished smoothly and provides a strong, secure grip when attached to a phone, even while walking or commuting. The outer shell is made of high-quality plastic that feels solid and well built, with no creaking or flex when pressure is applied, reinforcing the sense of durability. On the front, there's a centered BMX logo, along with a small LCD screen near the bottom that clearly displays remaining battery percentage, charging status, and real-time power output, which is extremely useful compared to simple LED indicators. On the back, the MagSafe-compatible magnetic ring supports Qi 2 wireless charging for most modern smartphones, ensuring precise alignment and consistent charging efficiency. Along the sides, you'll find a single power button that also serves as a control for the display, while the bottom houses a USB-C port that functions as both input and output. The power bank also includes an airplane mode, allowing it to meet airline safety requirements for carry-on batteries, though users should note that it does not currently carry CCC certification, which may be relevant when traveling through China. The biggest highlight of the BMX solid-state 5000 mAh Qi 2 power bank is its solid-state battery technology, which replaces the traditional liquid electrolyte found in standard lithium-ion batteries. This significantly reduces the presence of flammable materials, lowering the risk of overheating, swelling, or fire even in cases of impact or long-term use. As a result, the battery is more stable, resistant to physical damage, and less prone to degradation over time, making it a safer and longer-lasting option for everyday charging. In terms of performance, the USB-C port supports up to 15 watts of input and delivers up to 20 watts of wired output, while the Qi 2 wireless charging system provides up to 15 watts of power, with higher efficiency than older Qi standards. With a 5000 mAh capacity, this power bank isn't designed for multiple full phone charges, but it can reliably provide around 50 to 70% extra battery life, depending on the device and usage conditions, which is more than enough to get through a busy day. During real-world use, the power bank remains cool and stable, producing minimal heat even during extended wireless charging sessions, with only slight warmth noticeable on the phone itself. It also supports charging two devices simultaneously using both the wireless pad and the USB-C port, making it a flexible solution for quick power emergencies. Overall, the BMX solid-state 5000 mAh Qi 2 power bank delivers a compelling mix of safety, portability, and modern charging technology, making it an excellent choice for users who value peace of mind, compact design, and reliable everyday performance over sheer capacity.